We're working in cramped quarters today. I got a bunch of stuff over there in the other side where I normally work. So today we're going to pull this axle out of this little Roadster Pickup and put in this new dropped axle I got. I put new fresh brakes on it. I've got the drums cut. They're 41 drums. Tie rod, the steering arms are already bent and ready to go. So we just need to pull this old axle out that has the Pinto brakes on it and drop in this new one. That'll pull the wheels in to the fender wells a little bit better, and it'll make it set a little lower, and we'll put some different tires on it. There she is. Axle's on. I just got to address the steering linkage and adjust the brakes, run new lines for the, I'm switching it to 1/4-inch lines. It was 3/16, so it worked out pretty good. Yeah, that lowered the front pretty good. Now I'll put a 750 in the back, and that'll fill up a lot of space back there on that one. This is the wheel adapter that's on here. That's 4-lug, because that's got a Pinto rear end. This is the adapter that does changes it from 4-lug to 5 on 5.5, and we have that stud backed out, so we cut a slot in the end of it so that maybe we can screw it in there with the screwdriver, because otherwise there's no way really to get it in there, I guess, other than driving a lug nut on it. But I don't think you'll be able to get it off. I think it'll just back it right back out. So let's see if we can get this. No, just spray grease. Yeah, just like some WD or something lube. It'll work. Yeah, just it'll lube both of them up. It's just basically like all thread. There we go. Good to go. Need to find some more lug nuts. Toss them in the trash. It had a long lug nut, a Model A lug nut, original Model A, and then it had 3 of the half 20s on there. So see if we can find more of those. Cool, it works. Awesome. So I ended up having a pair of 750/16 whitewalls, some cokers that I thought would fill up the fender well here a lot better. So let's put them on there and see what they look like. I was hoping that 750 would close that gap up a little bit more, but we'll see. I think we can do the spring, it'll be fine. I got just enough light left to get this thing mounted up on here. And we'll probably have to roll it back out tomorrow and get a better picture of it, better view. Make sure, see what it looks like. Make sure it looks good. There she is. Looks a lot better with 750 on it. It's a little breezy today and the sun's not out. It's cooled off quite a bit, but got the caps back on it. Don't look too bad. I think it'll work. Yeah. I think it'll look real good. It'll look nice going down the road. Cruising to go get a hamburger. That's it. We got her in there, and we're going to keep moving forward on it. So, subscribe, smash the like button, share it anywhere you want to share it, and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.